In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Sheets, Gmail, Drive, and Calendar within N8n, a powerful workflow automation platform. This process is great for beginners, and whether you're completely new to N8n or just looking to enhance your productivity by integrating these Google services, you're in the right place. We'll take this step by step, ensuring that each phase is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the N8n website. You can find it easily by searching for N8n Workflow Automation Platform. Once you've arrived on the site, find the Sign In button. You'll need to click this to begin accessing your account, and if you don't have an N8n account yet, you'll be prompted to create one. Go ahead and set that up if you need to. And once you're signed in, you'll be directed straight to the N8n dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see a range of options and tools laid out for you. Our focus here is on setting up credentials for Google Sheets, Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. To begin this, navigate to the Credentials section, which is conveniently accessible from your dashboard. It's essentially where N8n securely stores credentials needed to connect to external services, like those from Google. Once in the Credentials section, you'll want to add a new credential. Look around for an option that says Add New Credential. It should be quite visible. Click on it and a new menu will appear. This is where you'll perform the search for each Google service individually. The search function makes it easy to locate exactly what you need without having to scroll through potentially long lists. Type in the name of each service you'd like to set up, starting with Google Sheets, then proceed with Gmail, followed by Drive, and finally, Calendar. For each selected service, you'll be guided through the process of permitting N8n to access your Google account related to that service. This includes authorizing connections via Google's OAuth 2, a secure protocol that many web services use to provide access, while ensuring your personal data remains protected. And there you have it, a seamless way to integrate critical Google services into your N8n environment. With those credentials now configured, you'll be able to automate tasks, streamline workflows, and improve your productivity significantly using N8n's vast range of automation tools. So go ahead and explore N8n further to discover what creative workflows you can build starting from here. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and feel free to reach out with any questions or feedback. Happy automating!